Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Automation Tool. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and click on the notification bell. So today's our topic is how to send put request from Postman. So basically put request is used to update a resource in the server. So what does it mean? It means whenever you send a put request in the server, it will not add additional load to the server. But in case of post requests, if you will send a multiple request to the server, it will add that many times of load in the server. So I will show you practically here. In the previous videos, I have already told you how to send get request or post request through Postman. So if you have not gone through those videos, please go through that. I have also told you one very good website, that is dummy.restapiexample.com. In that you will see various method free API, that is get, post, put, delete. So I'll be using this put method here, and the put URL is http://api/v1/update/21. So in case you want to update the data, so in that case, just what you need to do, in the end URL you need to add, instead of employee, you need to add update slash which data you want to update. So you need to give the ID of that. So I will show you in the Postman. Suppose I want to update of the ID of 1, and I need to give the employee name as Akash instead of Tiger Nixon. So let's get started. I will create one put request. Click on this new, click on request, give the name, put employees. So request description is optional. If you want, you can give. No need to do anything here. Just click on save to API collection. Now get is by default, so you need to change the method as put here. Now I will copy the URL from this website dummy.restapiexample.com. So our URL is this. We need to go to the Postman, we need to paste it here. So see, I already told you previously, in the get employees I want to change employee name as Rahul instead of Tiger Nixon. And for which ID I want to change? I want to change for the ID 1. So what I will do, I will just go to the put employees. I need to save it and just change the ID here. Instead of 21, give 1. And in the body, just copy the body from the post request, same thing, and go to post request and just click on raw. You can select anything, but I'm using raw here. Just paste it here, and instead of Rahul, pass Akash. Now everything is done. Now just save it. Now the response, what we'll get, instead of this Tiger Nixon for the ID 1, we will get Akash. So just go to the put request and click on send. It is showing field data record is not found. Let's see what is the issue. Just check for some other ID. I will check for 21, as it was mentioned in the dummy this example.com. So I will change for that 21 ID only. So go to the Postman, go to get employees and check for the 21 ID. So for 21 ID we have employee name as Rahul. So instead of Rahul, when I will execute this put request instead of Rahul for the ID 21, we should get Akash. So just go to the put request and click on send. Now you can see in the response we have got status as success, and for the ID 21 we have got employee name as Akash. It means our update API is working fine. Now if you'll see this part, status is 200 OK, time is at 53 ms millisecond and size 1.1 KB. So it is in pretty format. If you want to see in some other format, just click on raw. So you can see in the raw format also. You can preview. So you can see in preview format also. Now we have already updated, right? We are getting result as for the 21 ID we have got employee name as Akash. Now if you go to get employees, and again if you will execute this get request, instead of Rahul for this get request, you should get Akash because we have already updated here, right? Now we'll go to get request and click on send. Now check whether whether the name is Rahul or not for the ID 21. See 21. You can see, right? Earlier it was Rahul. Now the ID for the ID 21 employee name changed as Akash. It means the API that put API which we were executing is working fine. I hope you understood all the things. So that's it from this session. In the next upcoming video, we'll learn how to send delete request from Postman. So please don't forget to subscribe the channel in case if you have not subscribed. Thank you all and take care.